Hi, I'm Amita and I'm one of the GPs working here at Lloyds Pharmacy Online Doctor. Today I'm here with some hopefully helpful advice on starting an exercise routine. I'm sure lots of us are more than aware of the benefits of exercise, from maintaining a healthy weight to fitness, mobility and improving mental health. There's thousands of reasons to get into a regular routine of exercise, but sometimes finding the motivation and knowing where to start can be hard. It's important to remember that everyone is different and we all need different exercise routines to help us stay fit, healthy and happy. Some people find it hard to find a type of exercise they like. Some people might have a condition that makes certain types of exercise hard, or for some people joining the gym or a yoga studio might not be an option financially. Really, anything that gets your body moving is exercise, whether it's a run, a gym session, walking the dog, a spot of vacuuming or gardening. So how much exercise should you be aiming for? Well, it's recommended that those aged between 19 to 64 should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. For example, fast walking, dancing or pushing a lawnmower, or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise. This could be running, skipping, gymnastics or sports like football. Generally speaking, moderate exercise is an activity which you can do and still hold a conversation. If you can't hold a conversation, this is vigorous exercise for you. It's recommended you also include at least 2 sessions of strengthening exercise into your routine. So that could be lifting heavy weights, yoga or heavy gardening like digging. Lifting or carrying children are also examples. Some activities like circuit training, for example, can actually count as both aerobic and strengthening exercise. Now, 150 or even 75 minutes might sound like a lot of time out of your week, especially if you're busy with work, family life, or social commitments. But it's good to remember it doesn't have to be long sessions. Break it down into chunks that can fit around your life. Finding time for a 10 or 20-minute YouTube home workout on your lunch break, running back from the school drop-off or swapping a drive to the station for a brisk walk or cycle can make all the difference. In fact, a 10-minute brisk walk in the morning, repeated at lunchtime and in the evening, Monday to Friday, would see you hitting that 150-minute goal. Starting an exercise routine of joining a gym can be daunting, but it's all about going at your own pace and slowly building up the amount of exercise that you do so that you're seeing and feeling the benefits. If you need some help on where to start with exercise, the NHS website has lots of helpful exercise support, from home workouts to apps like the Couch to 5K, which is a 9-week running program which can take absolute beginner runners through to running 5K. You could also speak to your GP, or one of our video GPs here at Lloyds Pharmacy. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for listening.